Alright, out for a bit of a walk here. I'm just trying to get a bunch of fun of the tour here, so I can walk around, just up the bush here. Pretty cold weather at the moment, not too bad though. I think from what he said, just stick to the left, it's the easiest way you don't get lost. I think if I go far right you get lost. Yeah, look at the size of these timbers. They are massive. They are monsters. There's nothing to compare the picture to show the size. Massive timbers. It's a bit debatable. He's saying some of these timbers might be the biggest in the world. Yeah, he reckons there's one that's claimed one to be the, I think he's speaking before, he's saying there's one he reckons actually could be the, claimed to be the biggest timber in the world once, but no one took any photos, so no one knows. But the timber here can grow that big. Yeah. I don't know how they compare these sizes. I'm trying to find one of the big timbers. Here's one of the old big ones. I'm trying to show the size comparison to size. That's my hand. So it goes all the way around to there, all the way up. Yeah, it's like all these pictures, video things. You've got to show some comparison. These ones here, I don't know how big or old these are. They're pretty big timbers there. Hang on, if I stand up here for me, there's my hand on there, so give you an idea of sizes. Right up to the top. Not bad. Alright, do a different one this time, the video, so you can see what I look like. I forgot to wear my hat, but that's right, there's no sun here. Yeah, massive timbers there. I should have taken a picture for. They're trying to give the contrast to show what size, how big these things are. Look at the size. There, that's me. There's the best example one. That's the best contrast to show how big the size goes. Huge ones around, all over the place. Oh, easy just to walk level around sometimes. You can hear water flowing. Can't see it though. Oh yeah, down the water. Nice looking areas. I'll walk up to the water in a second. The water comes all the way down. I don't think we'll be jumping down that one. I'll walk around, get a better view. You reckon about 10 minutes in front of every other crew behind me. I don't think it's that far ahead, but maybe I am for some people, I guess. Not too bad, the water up there. Pretty amazing scene. Alright, well apparently I'm not far from the end of it here. Okay, I don't know, it must be towards the end of it surely. If it is, I'll walk back. Another good picture one in a second. Holy cow, that's a big timber. Have a look at this. The way they compare the size. That is massive. Now and again, show me hand just to show what my hand sizes are. Massive. I want to be popular timber. I'm sure the others will come down here soon anyway. It's not too bad down here. I have a little fires area there. That's not too bad. Nice little areas. Massive.